Assalamu alaikum, dear member. In these trying times, we find the whispers of the world have grown louder than ever. External influences bombard us, shaping our desires and thoughts. They are often unknowingly leading us astray. The fear of being left behind, of not measuring up, becoming worthless troubles us. We chase worldly gains, and these are often disguised as personal betterment. More than ever before, these times demand a strong connection with ourselves and a clear understanding of our purpose. If you find yourself lost in troubling emotions, trapped by self-diminishing thoughts, or struggling to overcome life's difficulties, then know that something must change. If you do nothing, these struggles will only intensify, further distancing you from inner peace and confusing you about yourself. However, if you embark on the journey of spiritual growth, investing time and sincere effort in uprooting the limiting beliefs that hold you back, then you will witness transformative results, inshallah, both in this life and in the hereafter. You owe this to yourself, your family, and your community. Much is said and written about self-improvement. While the theory may seem great, true change often remains far from reach. Why do you think that is? Well, without application, knowledge is like a tree without fruit. This Find Your Truth workshop focuses on practically undoing those limiting beliefs that hinder you from rising spiritually. It enables you to realize the full potential Allah Ta'ala has blessed you with. If you are content with the way things are for you, this workshop is not for you. However, if you feel a stirring within, a desire to transform yourself into the best version you can be, you want to cultivate stronger, more meaningful relationships, you want to find unwavering confidence and inner peace, and to embark on a true spiritual journey towards Allah Ta'ala, then this is your path. Join the Find Your Truth practical workshop on overcoming self-limiting beliefs. We welcome you on a journey of profound self-exploration, genuine self-empowerment, and transformative spiritual uprising. This is an opportunity to break free from the chains of limiting beliefs and step into the light of your true potential. Please apply for a free scholarship. We are offering one-to-one personalized guidance and support through this Find Your Truth workshop on overcoming self-limiting beliefs. We look forward to you connecting to us now. Thank you very much.